Hello everyone, welcome to Ekta's Educational World. In today's video, we're going to learn new topic that is knowledge and curriculum. Now knowledge is very important in everyone's life. Every time everyone is getting knowledge from other person or from something. Yes, so knowledge is an continuous process, right? Knowledge is continuous process. Why? Because we are learning on a daily basis, right? Each and every time it's a small thing or big thing, definitely knowledge is bring power, right? So knowledge is very important. In today's video we're going to learn what is about knowledge, right? What is curriculum and what are the other things which is important for knowledge. Yes, so let's start our video. In today's topic, what we'll learn, that we'll see to it first. So in knowledge and curriculum, we'll learn knowledge and curriculum related introduction and meaning. The characteristics, it's a big word but don't worry. Another meaning is features, right? What are the things involved under knowledge, right? What are the qualities of knowledge, that we'll see. And the last one, that is types of knowledge. So let's start. First, we'll see to it the meaning. Yes. Knowledge is what? So definitely knowledge is what? Is the concept that we have to understand first and then we can learn. So whatever be the subject or topic we are getting, right? So we are trying to understand, that is for knowledge. Yes. So knowledge is refers to learning concepts, principles. Principles means we can consider rules and regulations here. Whatever be the new information we are taking from anyone or any particular book, so that is also knowledge, right? See, it's mentioned related with some subject or by a person or any other media, right? Encyclopedias or any academic institution means through book, so that all parts is related with our knowledge. So knowledge is very important in terms of this all things. Okay, after knowledge we'll see to it curriculum. Now curriculum is little, if we'll understand or if we'll listen, so it's a new word, but we all know what is curriculum. Curriculum is a just course. Course means whatever be the content available in the books, in the schools teachers are teaching, that particular course book is known as curriculum. Yes, हर एक स्कूल में बेसिकली बताया जाता है कि इतना ही वर्क रहेगा, इतना ही पढ़ाना है, या यही पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस रहेगा. सो वी कैन कंसिडर अ पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस or a content, that is curriculum. Okay, after this meaning we'll see to it characteristics of knowledge. So many features are there which is important in terms of knowledge. Yes, so one by one we'll see to it. First one, that is mobile. Now that is not the caller one that we are calling, it's a different one. Mobile means which we are connecting very differently. Likewise, from one place to another place we can easily connect to people, right? So here it's related easily be distributed through satellite channels to large number of people, right? We can easily, if we are shifting, right? Suppose people are shifting for job purpose or some other purpose, so it is very convenient to connect. Okay, so knowledge is what we can share anywhere, right? So whether they will be change their route or they will be shifting to other place, so definitely they will gain knowledge on each particular part. If suppose I am working over here in Churchgate, right, and if I am shifting to some other place, so definitely over there also I'll get to learn a new things. So that is also a part of knowledge. So knowledge is just a transmission things that we are getting from one place to another place. There is a difference, but definitely will understand, will gain some new things. So knowledge is connected with mobile also. Second one, knowledge is a process. Now what is the process over here? So definitely how the time is going, so definitely we are also getting knowledge more and more, right? As time pass on, so definitely knowledge will also increase. Now it's depend upon which type of knowledge we are getting in, whether it is positive one, negative one, but definitely knowledge we are getting it, right? So in that it's mentioned, man never gets tired of continuing the quest for greater knowledge. Yeah, every time, every particular thing, whatever we are doing, so definitely we are learning something, right? So the learning part is only knowledge. And whether we'll go any particular place, definitely knowledge is part of our life. Okay, so it's related with many other people also, like scientific, right? In science also, in medical terms also, many where knowledge is taking their part. Okay, so knowledge is very important, but it's require a systematic process. Next, that is related with knowledge is information. Correct? Why it's informative? Because it's valuable, but all information is not knowledgeable, right? But some information we can get from that information. Whatever information is available and what we are learning, we are taking for ourselves, right? In our life or in our concepts, whatever we are doing, so that all things is knowledge. So it's mentioned here, all information is not knowledge and all knowledge is not valuable, right? Majority times happen, and many times we should understand what is valuable, what is irrelevant, right? What is related, everything is important. So here knowledge is information. We have to understand first what are the contents we require, right? What are the things which is important for us, that things only we have to gather, and that will be our knowledge part. Next one, knowledge is about people. Yes, very important, right? Knowledge is directly related to the people, that who they are, okay, how they know everything. So we are curious about that things, that how they know, what are the things they know, so that all things is knowledgeable, right? If they are understanding, they are getting the information, so we also, right? So a person who studies history acquires the knowledge of the past. So whatever we'll grab, we'll just understand that all things is related with knowledge, whether it is related with the past thing or whether it is related with the present one. All is related with society, people and other past thing, that is history. So that is about people. Knowledge is about people. The fifth one will see to it, knowledge is goal oriented. Now goal means related with aim, right? Everyone's life there is a specific aim, specific goal is there. So yes, knowledge is based on goal oriented. If our goal is specified, we have to achieve this thing. So related that only knowledge require in terms of everything. Okay, so it uses information that is most meaningful, practical and purposeful. These three words are very important when it's goal oriented. मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए, यस कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए कि हम वो नॉलेज क्यों गैदर कर रहे हैं, राइट? इट शुड बी प्रैक्टिकल बिकॉज वी हैव टू अचीव आवर एम, सो प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. एंड लास्ट, पर्पसफुल. अगर उसमें हमारा मेन एम नहीं है, it's without aim, so it's just useless, that information is not worthwhile. So here purpose is very important. Okay, after that, chunkable and portable. Now what it is not related with that we can store knowledge, right? Knowledge is what is about to share, right? It is about to give to other people. Knowledge we cannot secure or we cannot store, so it does not exist in physical form. We can't see that yeah, it's knowledge. No, it's just give to other people, just share, right? So that is knowledge will increase because we are learning and we are getting information or knowledge from n number of people. We are meeting to anyone, right? Or we are talking with anyone, so definitely we are getting information. That all information, the valuable things, are part of knowledge. So it does not exist in physical form, but it can be summarized, compressed or dividend in manageable units. Okay, now dividend, that means it's divided. Summarized का मतलब है in short में किस तरीके से उसको हम gather कर सकते हैं, right? In summary, in short. Compressed, how we can store it, right? How we can understand it quick manner or easy way. So that is what chunkable and portable. The last one related with the characteristics, transferable. Yes, We can easily transfer knowledge from one place to another place, from one person to another person. It is distributed process, right? It cannot be stored to one place or to one person. Like teacher is providing knowledge to students, so that is also transferable from teacher to student. Then student will pass to their friends, right, to other people. So that is what it's related with the sharing. So transferable, it is easily transferable to n number of people, right, from one generation to another also. And yeah, here it's a short form, that is MKCT. Now MKCT, I have made it short form because it's very easy to understand. M, that is related with the mobile. K, that is 4K is there, so it's related with the information about the people, right, about the process. Then goal oriented, that K4. C, that is chunkable and portable, and last T, that is transferable. So it's very easy to understand. MK city, okay, city का नाम है MK, likewise, but yeah, you can understand it well, MK city. Next, the question that is types. Now in types, there are 6 types which is important. First one, that is conceptual knowledge. Now conceptual knowledge means what? Without any idea or without any knowledge, information is provided, that is useless. So concept must be available, right? Without concept, there is no use of knowledge. Second is situational knowledge. Yes, very important. What time specifically in business or any company or any particular way, if situation arise suddenly, all of a sudden, so what to do? So that time knowledge is useful, that is situational knowledge. So we have to think according to the situation. So knowledge of problem situations may serve, create a representation of a problem. Yes, very important. Based on situation, how we are providing solution or how we are reacting, that is the situation knowledge, right? All of sudden, if something is important, that boss is saying that needs to be present, so it is a situational call. That time our knowledge is important, how to complete the task, how to be present in a short particular time. So that knowledge is very important. Third one, that is related with strategic knowledge. Now strategic is very important in organize, whenever we are planning to do something, so that time strategic knowledge is very important to solve any process or to give suggestion or direct someone. In such type, strategic is very important. Many times in organization or in industries or in institution also, many times there is a particular thing we needs to complete, so for that strategy is very important. In short time, how we are completing the things or how to achieve a goal, so for that strategy is very important, right? So to achieve a solution or to reach a particular goal, definitely a strategy is very important. Then the fourth one, personal knowledge, that is all depend upon the people, right? What type of knowledge they have, it's, we can't judge to any people, but yes, some have, all person have some knowledge, right? So it is known as knowledge of acquaintance. How, what are the things we are gathering, we are learning from other people, right? So knowledge in this sense is to do with being familiar with something, how we are connecting, how we are attaching with anyone, right? So that things is all getting the personal knowledge, okay? And personal knowledge also getting with the help of books. What type of books we are reading, or what type of knowledge we are taking, what we are studying, that all things are, it's helpful for personal knowledge. Then the fifth one, procedural knowledge. Now procedural, that means related, means how to do something, okay? There is require some process, some steps, so that is procedural knowledge. That information is required, some task, okay, some projects or some participation activities is needed. Continuous efforts and continuous activity involvement leads to the procedural knowledge. Will be expert of that particular things, and by that things, after achieving that all things, small things, wherever we are having interest or we are completing any task, will get to a procedural knowledge, will be expertise of that things, okay, of that particular task. The next and the last one, propositional knowledge. Now propositional, that means how to get the things to be done, in short we can say. Or in other types we will see, so it's followed by philosopher, okay, because it's based on facts. So whatever assumptions we are giving, so that all assumptions should be practical, should be based on facts, okay. If suppose I am saying that yeah, I like this particular flowers which is available in red, so definitely the flowers must be in red only, that's based on fact, okay. I can't make assumption that yeah, it's like that, but that assumption must be true also, okay. So whatever we are saying, that is based on facts only, okay. So that is propositional knowledge. We have to take some proportion, some ratio for it, okay. So we are liking to have some assumption, and sometimes it's an appropriate tool. Time for short form, so it's CSP. yes, DSP होता है, but यहाँ पर CSP according to our a short form related with the types, okay. So types is very important, okay. It's based on conceptual knowledge, right? Then it's based on situational, okay, how to do the things. Then it's related with the personal knowledge, procedural knowledge, propositional knowledge. So this all types of knowledge is very important, okay. If we are getting things in the way of educational terms or student point of view or any other terms, so हर एक चीज़ में knowledge is very important. So this video is generally for everyone to understand it well, okay. And in today's video we have seen, that is first one, features. Before that we have seen the meaning, which is very important. Curriculum short part we have taken because knowledge is very important. So here it's characteristics and types of knowledge, okay. So आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, okay. In today's video we'll just conclude over here. Thanks for watching my video.